Hi there, for this lesson I'm going to be doing a tutorial on cloud storage and sharing everything in my folder in my Google Drive. So I've set up a couple folders specifically for EDCI 270. One is the passport sections. Doesn't currently have anything in there right now, but I can show you that I can drop this Google Drive intro into the passport, and it just went in there. All right. Then task stream is where I will upload all my task stream documents into there. That is what that folder is for. Here is creating a new document up here in the new file. Go to either Google Docs. All right. Untitled document, so we can create this and to be themed. It's also theme introduction. All right. All right, and then just type in over there. All right, and X out of that. Then you can go down to theme intro and oh shoot, and put that also in passport. All right. Now I'm gonna go back to this. Go back to theme intro. And we're going to go to the shared portion up here once it loads. All right. Loading. All right. And then going to type in my buddy's name, who I just emailed my other thing, and send him that. And that is it. All right. Thank you very much.